Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 4 and today we would like to tell you about the PRRI. But before we get started, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Fadel Dekibria Sofina absent 13, and in this collaboration projects between Sejarah Indonesia and English, I would like to explain about the PRRI's background, claims, and also members. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Binaran Riasa, absent 5. In this collaboration between Sejarah Indonesia and English, I would like to explain about military operation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Gufran Amdani, absent 17. In this collaboration project between Sejarah Indonesia and English, I would like to explain about PRRI members. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dimas Hadi Saputra, absent 9. In this collaboration project between Sejarah Indonesia and English, I would like to explain about the impact of PRRI.
The Revolutionary Government of the Republic of Indonesia, or PRRI, is a movement of opposition between the Indonesian government and its regions. This movement emerged in 1950 in Sumatra. PRRI emerged because of regional dissatisfaction with the policies of the central government at that time. The PRRI resistance and its crackdown are believed to have resulted in tens of thousands of victims. The background of PRRI. After independence, the condition of the government was unstable. Welfare and development in the early days of independence were still very difficult. The development gap in Java and other islands have fueled the sentiment that the region is being taken away. This sentiment then gave birth to revolutionary efforts in the regions. In August and September 1956, several prominent figures from Central Sumatra held meetings in Jakarta. The meeting was followed by the reunion of 612 active and retired officers of the Benteng Division on 20 until 25 November 1956 in Padang. Division 9 Benteng is the military command of the Indonesian Armed Force, or APRI, which was formed during the War of Independence 1945 until 1950, with the Central Sumatra region, West Sumatra, Riau, Jambi, and Riau Island. During the reunion, the aspiration for autonomy emerged to advance the region. It was also agreed to establish a Benteng Council led by Lieutenant Colonel Ahmad Hussein, the commander of the 4th Regiment and the 1st Territorium base in Padang. On December 20, 1956, Lieutenant Colonel Ahmad Hussein seized the power of the regional government from Governor Ruzian Muljoharjo. The pretext is that the governor appointed by the government has not succeeded in carrying our regional development. Lieutenant Colonel Ahmad Hussein claimed that the Revolutionary Government of the Republic of Indonesia, or PRRI, was formed on February 15, 1958. Next is claim of PRRI. First, PRRI submitted 3 demands to the central government, namely: second, dissolution of the Juanda cabinet; third, Muhammad Hatta and Sultan Hamengkubuwono IX form an interim government until the next general election would be held. Fourth, Sukarno returned to his constitutional position. Another demand that was also put forward by PRRI was related to the issue of regional autonomy and the economic or financial balance between the central and regional governments. The central government is considered unfair to civilians and the military regarding the distribution of development funds, so they demanded that the government act more fairly, especially on the distribution of development funds in the regions. Next, as members of the PRRI. The members who became the pioneers of the PRRI movement, namely: first, Lieutenant Colonel Ahmad Hussein, Mr. Syafruddin Prawiranegara, Mr. Asad Dr. Mudo, Maludin Simbolon, Profesor Dr. Sumitro Jojo Haji Kusumo, Muhammad Syafi'i, J.F. Werrow, Saladin Sarumpet, Mukhtar Lintang, Saleh Lahade, Gani U.S. Men's Father, Dahlan Jambek.
Military operation. Since the existence of the Revolutionary Government of the Republic of Indonesia movement, the central government considers the movement to be immediately completed with a ceasefire. The government also carried out a joint operation consisting of the Army, Navy, and Air Force of the Indonesian Armed Force APRI to crush the PRRI movement. The following operation have been carried out. The first operation with real targets started on 12 March 1958, led by Lieutenant Colonel Khairudin Nasution. 17 August operation under the leadership of Colonel Ahmad Yani started on August 17, 1958 under the leadership of Colonel Ahmad Yani. Merdeka operation under the leadership of Lieutenant Colonel Rukminto Hendraningrat. Sabta Marga 1 operation in Central Sulawesi was led by Lieutenant Colonel Sumarsono. The Sabta Marga 2 operation in the Gorontalo area was led by Major Agus Prasmono. Sabta Marga 3 operation in the island of Sangir Talawut and Manado led by Lieutenant Colonel Magenda. Sabta Marga 4 operation in Manado was led by Lieutenant Colonel Rukminto. Merdeka operation is a military operation carried out to crush Permesta in North or Central Sulawesi.
APRI soldiers carried out various kinds of violence. Even thousands of people were also arrested by force because they were supported of being PRRI sympathizer. Through General Abdul Haris Nasution, the PRRI soldier tried to persuade them to surrender and return to loyalty to the Republic of Indonesia. During the PRRI cabinet, several ministers served in it, namely, number 1, Mr. Syafruddin Prawira Negara served as Prime Minister and Minister of Finance. Number 2, Mr. Asad Mudo served as Minister of the Interior. Number 3, Colonel Maludin Simbolon served as Minister of Foreign Affairs. Number 4, Professor Dr. Sumitro Joyo Hadikusumo served as Minister of Transportation and Shipping. Number 5, Muhammad Shafi'i served as Minister of PPK and Health. Number 6, Saladin Sarumpait served as Minister of Agriculture and Labor. Number 7, Mukhtar Lintang served as Minister of Religion. Number 8, Saleh Lahade served as Minister of Information. Number 9, Abdul Ghani Usman served as Minister of Social Affairs. Number 10, Colonel Dahlan Jambek. Number 10, Colonel Dahlan Jambek served as Minister of Post and Telecommunication.
Impact. The incident of the Revolutionary Government of the Republic of Indonesia, or PRRI, is one of this movement that has a negative impact on the survival of Indonesia's state. The impact of this movement on the perpetrators is as follows. First, the death toll was 20,174 people. 4,360 were injured, and 8,072 people were taken prisoner. Second, disrupted economic condition, inflation and deflation emerged. Third, the emergence of awareness among state leaders that the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia, or NKRI, consists of a vast archipelago with a variety of problems that often differ from one another. Fourth, the emergence of the division kinship relation. 5. Lack of food ingredients. As a result of the riots that took place in 1958 until 1960, several high school, junior high school, and universities were also closed, one of which was Andalas University, which had only been running for 2 years because almost all of its lecturers and students were involved in PRRI. Towards the end of 1960, all areas in West Area Sumatra successfully controlled by APRI soldiers. The civil and military elements were granted an amnesty by the government, which was later incorporated into Presidential Decree number 320 of 1960 on June 20, 1960. However,
that amnesty had no effect. Society, especially students and college students, are still living under pressure for many years.